Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be diving into my LUSH Halloween haul for 2023. Originally, I wasn't going to buy anything from the Halloween range. However, I did get a few of you guys message saying, when are you going to do your Halloween haul? So I got Ryan to pop into LUSH and I basically bought a mammoth amount of things that I probably didn't need. But I am so excited to dive in because I've actually not seen or smelt any of these in person. So this is just as exciting for me as it hopefully will be for you guys. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So I'm going to be doing this in no particular order. I'm going to just put my hand in the bag, pull something out at random. So the first item we have is something I am so excited about because ever since moving in with Ryan in the flat, I've been really enjoying using solid hand soaps, which I feel like was never really my thing before, but since we have like a bathroom of our own, I have a really nice soap dish and I like to put all my solid hand soaps on there. But when I saw this, I knew I had to get some, and that is the Lord of Misrule solid hand soap. If you guys are new to my channel and you've never seen my face before, I am a Lord of Misrule advocate. I absolutely love the smell of this product with my whole entire heart, and I just feel like I had to get some. So let's just open her up and see what she looks like, because again, I've not seen any of these in person, so I cannot wait to have a look. This is the nice, oh, it's really moisturizing. Okay, so this is the Lord of Misrule soap. I can already smell it. Oh, it's so good. This smells insane. I can tell from the feel of it, it's going to be very intensely moisturizing. It's so soft, very creamy, and it is this beautiful, like, classic Lord of Misrule green with this, like, kind of marble effect on it. So cute. And ingredients wise, this one is black pepper, patchouli, vanilla. It's very, I don't know how to describe it. It's not necessarily incensey, but it has got that, like, woodsy, incensey smell, which you would think I would hate, but I absolutely love it. It's so good. Price wise, for 100 grams, this was £6. So that is kind of a generic price, especially for LUSH soaps. I'm intrigued to know whether this was cut. I feel like it definitely was, rather than it being like in individual bars, but that is delish. I'm so excited about that. Yummy. Next up we have, oh, something a little bit different. This is the Ghosty Bath Bomb. Now this has been released a few years in a row. I have bought it a few years in a row and I've really enjoyed it. So I am very excited. So this is, oh, she's a bit broken, but that's okay. I'm gonna get dust everywhere and Ryan is gonna be so fuming. Oh, I just dropped it everywhere. So we have the Ghosty Bath Bomb. She is so cute, and I know for a fact that inside this it's kind of like a blue, pink, purple concoction, and it smells like Avo Bath, which is very strong in lemongrass. It's that really fresh smell. It's really lovely. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got lemongrass, as I said, lemon oil, lime oil, cream of tartar, cocoa butter. It's just very strong and very citrusy, but it's so good. And this one was £5. So again, I say that's quite a standard price for a bath bomb, especially one of this size. Delicious. I'm going to put that back now though, because it is literally crumbling everywhere. So the next item is another item that I saw on the website, and I knew I had to get one because the scent family is just everything, especially for this time of year, and that is the Lord of Misrule Bubble Bar, which retails for £6.50. Scent wise, this one is going to be black pepper, patchouli, vanilla. It's that very woodsy, very incensey kind of smell, and this is so cute. This is exactly how I would imagine it to look if I was to design it myself. It's so good, and I absolutely love the red wine colour. That's the colour that used to be in the old bath bombs. Then they got rid of it, and I think now they've brought it back, or it's almost like a marble effect. But oh my god, this smell is so nostalgic. It's so good. It's such a crisp, like, I can't even describe it, like a such a strong smell. It's not crisp, it's like, I don't know. It's so good though. Honestly, this scent is just incredible. If you want a really Halloween-y winter autumnal fragrance, this is the one to go for. Honestly, it's amazing. I would love to know if any of you guys actually don't like the smell of this, because I love it so much that I think I'd find it hard to believe, but I would love to know down below what you guys think. So the next thing I picked up was the Screaming Banshee Bath Bomb. This one is only £3.50, so if you are looking for maybe a present for somebody, or if you don't want anything too strong in the water, this one would be a really good one to go for. This is what this one looks like. I think we had one very similar to this last year. I'm not too sure. That smells incredible. I don't know what that smell is. We've definitely had one of these before, and we've definitely had this smell before. Could I tell you what it is? No, I could not. But this one, let me have a look at the ingredients. This one has sea salt, bergamot, grapefruit, and almond in it. It's not a very grapefruity, almondy smell. Wait, oh my god, I'm so dumb. It's Space Girl scented. I bet you guys were screaming at me on the camera. Why am I so stupid? It's Space Girl scented. Oh, it's delicious, honestly. Space Girl is one of my favorite smells as well. I don't know why I didn't pick up that was what it was, especially because of the color, like it's exactly the same. But it kind of smells to me like Love Heart Sweets. It's got a very like sour smell to it, but it's so good. That one was only £3.50. I don't know whether I said that or not, but it's £3.50, so that was the next one I bought. Next, moving on, we have the Pumpkin Crumble Bubble Bar. If this doesn't scream Halloween, I don't know what will. I saw this on the website and I thought, oh, do I buy it, do I not? Because this one was £8, can I just say? 8 entire UK pounds, which is quite a lot of money, I think, for something of this size. But I had to get it because it literally screamed Halloween to me. So this is what this one looks like. I will admit it's quite, oh my god, it's crumbling everywhere. I am covered in bath bomb right now. I will admit this one is relatively heavy. I think you could easily get 4 really decent baths out of this if you were to cut it kind of in half and then break it in half. But I love the look of this. It's so cute. And it smells like sparkly pumpkin, which to me, again, is like your classic Halloween smell. It is so, so good. And ingredients wise in it, you have pumpkin, grapefruit, lime, and cocoa butter. But it smells like sparkly pumpkin, which takes me back to like working for Lush in I don't know, when was it? 2016, something like that. It is so good. I can't even explain it because to me it doesn't smell like pumpkin. It's more of a fresh, it's autumn in a bubble bar. Like, it's so good. It smells incredible. It's so good. Honestly, delicious. The next item we have got, I had to pick one up. I've had so many of these that I feel like it wouldn't surprise me anymore, but I love this bath bomb so much that I had to pick up another one. It did cost £6, which is insane that bath bombs are now £6. I remember this being £4.50, and I feel like, where has the jump come from? But anyway, this is the Lord of Misrule bath bomb, which I believe has had a new look. Let's open it up and have a little see. But again, this is black pepper, patchouli, black pepper, patchouli, and vanilla. So it's the same fragrance. It's just so good. Ooh! Okay, this is cool. This is a very cool design. Look at that. So this has the OG kind of design where it's got a crown on the top. That horrible beach ball one is no more, thank God, because I hated that one. It was just not for me. But this one is a different design completely. I'd like to know whether it's got the red center as well, but this is a green and kind of pink marble effect. It's so cool. Obviously it smells the same as all the other Lord of Misrule items, so very, very woodsy, very strong. It's so good. I love this so much. It's just incredible. So good. And last but definitely not least, we have one more bath bomb, and I saved this one for last because this one was Ryan's favorite. This one was £4.50, and this is the Jason's Mummy Bath Bomb, which I can't remember if we had this last year. It's probably really annoying me talking and pulling these off at the same time, but I can't remember if we had this one last year or not, so please do let me know down below. So this is what this one looks like. It is so cute. It's like a little mummy head with 2 little eyes. Oh, it smells good. This smells like something I would have drank before, like a really fruity, fizzy kind of smell. That smells incredible. It has Litsi Kubea and grapefruit in it. It is very, very grapefruity. You can really smell the sort of fruitiness to it, but it's so good. Wow. I'm excited to see if there's any sort of colour on the inside, but how cute. You guys probably can't see if I hold any closer because it will go out of focus, but so cute. I feel like I'm describing it as so good, so cute, so nice. But this one was £4.50, by the way. Again, I cannot remember if I just said that, but it was £4.50. So worth it. Look how cute he is. Love it. So that is everything for my Lush Halloween haul for 2023. I cannot believe we've already been and done this now. I feel like Christmas is really coming around, and I think Christmas actually gets released this month, which is insane. So there will be a Christmas haul coming very soon. You guys can guarantee it. But yes, that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course.